Hello, so one of the things you can do for a mace is to adjust what's called your choke. Now, for a 360, for example, this would be a full choke or a low choke where there's a massive amount of leverage between your hands and the steel mace head. And that will make the 360 the hardest position. Now, what you can simply do to make this easier if you haven't got a lighter weight mace is choke up the mace head. That is simply move your hands higher and you reduce the leverage point on your mace, which makes the movement slightly easier, especially as you've got a little bit of weight to counterbalance the resistance that you are using. Now, what I like to do is to count my fist lengths for the choke. So we're at the bottom, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I've changed hands, go for a fifth, and that gets me to the same hand position. Now you can fine tune that by counting the fingers as well. So for example, at the bottom, what I could do is instead of going for an entire fist, I could go 3 fingers up. So I go 1 over my little finger, ring finger, middle finger, move my hand out the way, grip and go. I've got a little bit of choke up the mace just to fine tune where I want to be. Hopefully you can use that to your advantage to fine tune your steel mace movements.